Hello, in this video I'm going to be picking and gutting this Yale pen tumbler lock. This is a pen tumbler on a bank deposit bag. You can see it says the Hartley National Bank, Bedford, Pennsylvania, Washington Bakery. On the front of the lock it says Yale BG 1981. And if we look at the key, you can see the bitting there. It's a 4-pin lock. On the back side there, we can see the numbering BG 1981. When you insert the key, you pull out the entire cylinder, which is kind of cool. You can see it there. It's got like a little cam actuator on the back. There's the inside. It's a little housing in a way. This opens up, unfolds, kind of like a waterproofing bag, and then you can reach in and access things. On the inside it says Strayer, New Bright, Pennsylvania there. And then it just folds back up and you can lock it up again. On the back here you can see it says made for Strayer lock seal, US patent number 1803217. And then looking at the outside, one thing I do notice compared to some of the other bank bags, like this one right here from A. Rifkin, you can see the stitching on the Rifkin or on the entire side here. That stitching is hidden away. There's some exposed here, but that's still not for the main bag. And actually, I'm lying. There's some exposed stitching right here too. Right here at the zipper. What I mean by exposed stitching, I mean like this is just folded over here. It's not like tucked in there. And yeah, I guess it's on the Rifkin too. So it's on both of these bags. There's exposed stitching. And I would be really curious. I'm not a great sewer, but I would be really curious if, like, my mom's like a quilter. I would be curious if she thought she would be able to perhaps cut this and sew it back together in a straight seam, like along the line there. Looks like the material sort of folded over there, but I'm not sure that that means she couldn't do it. I'm not sure. I'm not a great sewer, but I do wonder. I guess it would also depend on how close the bank is looking at it. If they were really inspecting stitching, I'm sure they could figure it out. And if they have no reason to inspect the stitching, I'm sure they could miss it. So that could go either way. It's a little keyway, so I'm just going to use top of the keyway tension. There we go. Cool. Alright, I'm going to pull this out. And so I have never taken this apart before. And I'm quite certain I don't have a plug follower small enough for it. But I think that I'll be able to get it back together, only being 4 pins. And I will do that in my own time. So y'all don't have to watch me struggle with that if it is a pain. But I'm just kind of curious. So this is going to lock while I unscrew this. Yeah. We'll use the key to help us. I've just got 2 small flathead screws on the back here. I think this cam will just come right off. Okay. Okay, sort of wiggle it a little there. All right, I'm going to put the key in. I'm going to slowly pull it out so we can get the driver pins. Hopefully one at a time. Not quite yet. Oh, there it goes. There's number 4. There's number 3. Number 2 at the top there. Then let's get this last one. Okay. Number 1. There's those pens there. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so let's look at the plug. That is just a teeny plug there. Here, since I got these out already, go ahead and measure it. So 0.316 inches. So about 8mm cylinder there. Okay. I don't see anything special there. Let me line these pins up a little. Oh, there's some small little pins right there. But I don't think anything exciting about any of them there. No serrations. Nothing special. Just 4 little pins there. Yeah. So that is it. That is this little Yale pen tumbler for that bank deposit bag. I'm going to start figuring out how to get this thing back together. But thanks for watching.